Okay, so we're going to put this all together in an order of operations question. So negative 4 minus 5 plus 2 multiplied by bracket 3 multiplied by negative 2. So what are we going to do first? We know that's a times, but hang on, we've got a bracket. Because we're going to do this bracket first, everything else is going to be the same. We're going to work down the page. Okay. So we're going to do this bracket first. 3 times negative 2. Remember, we're going to ignore that negative. What are 3 2's? 6. We've got a positive here and a negative here. Positive 3 and negative 2. Positive and a negative make a negative. So this 6 is a negative 6. That's done the bracket. We check again. What's first? We see a times here. So because we're going to do the times, this minus 4 and minus 5 stay exactly the same. Remember that positive belongs to that 2 and that negative belongs to that 6. So when we're doing this, it's 2 times 6 because we're going to block that out. 2 6's are 12, and we've got a positive and a negative. Positive and a negative makes a negative. So that 12 is a negative. Now that all the multiplies out, all we've got is, wow, look at all those negatives. We're loving this. So technically, if you wanted to think about it this way, you can draw your line. Here's 0, 1, 2, 3, all going that way. We're going to start at negative 4. So let's just jump straight to it. Negative 4 is about there somewhere, isn't it? We're going to subtract 5, so we've got to go that way, 5, and we're going to get to negative 9. We're at negative 9 and we've got to subtract another 12 that way. How nasty am I? Minus 9, minus another 12. You can use your fingers if you want, but hopefully you will just know that that is negative 21. If you don't know that that's negative 21, practice your addition table sheets and all of this will be much easier. Clearly you'll know your times tables as well. Get into some of those sheets. The sums get much harder than that, but the process is the same. Do one thing at a time, work down the page, easy as pie.